Hi friends, I'm Sam with Happily Hooked and welcome to episode 6 of Happily Hooked on Yarn. Today we are going to be working with cotton yarn. I'm so excited about it. So we've got Lion Brand Re-Up, you can see that here, and then we've got Red Heart Scrubby Smoothie. I am so excited to work with these. I have such a struggle with cotton yarn, so testing out 2 new ones, hopefully they'll work out really good. So let's swatch them up, wash them, and see what happens.
And make sure you guys do click on the like, subscribe, and the bell if you're on YouTube to make sure you get notifications.
Okay, so we've got our Red Heart Scrubby Smoothie and our Lion Brand's Re-Up yarn. The first one we'll start with is the Lion Brand. So this one, it's 2.5 ounces, 114 yards. It is a size 4 medium weight. Let's see if it'll focus there. It does require or recommend a 5.5 millimeter hook. This one, the color is gray on here, and this is 85% cotton, 15% polyester, and machine washable and dryable. So this is exciting. You know I like to wash and dry all my stuff. And then we have Red Heart Scrubby Smoothie. This one, it's 3.5 ounces, 153 yards, in the color Caribbean. Also a size 4 medium weight, recommends a 5.5. Machine wash, cold, gentle cycle, dry flat. You know I'm going to dry it. And then this is 100% cotton. So there is a little bit of a difference in the types of yarn. This feels more cottony. This is a little bit rougher actually. And the Scrubby Smoothie is very soft. So I wonder how that's going to work after we wash and dry them. But yeah, so we'll start working on them, and I've got my eye hook, which is a 5.5 millimeter, so we will get started. Alright, so that actually wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. I mean, it's a little rougher, but it's not, like, I wouldn't wear it, but I would definitely make things with it. It wasn't bad on my fingers or anything like that. So that was, it didn't split or anything when I was working with it, so that's exciting. Alright, so now I'm going to start with this one. Alright, so there we go. We got this one done. This one is really soft, I'll give it that, but it's really hard to keep on your hook because it is so smooth. So, I don't know. I feel like this would be better for like soft washcloths or on your face. But yeah, so we will wash them up and see what happens. Alright, so we just got these out of the dryer. This is the Scrubby Smoothie. This is incredibly soft afterwards. Yeah, this is magical. I really like this one. And the Re-Up actually got really soft too. Yeah, the Re-Up did shrink a little tiny bit. But no, I like them. They both came out really well. This one I would use more for like cup cozies and things like that. This would definitely be more of like face scrubbies, 110%. But it's not, they're not bad. Yeah, I really like both of them. I'm not sure which one I would pick as the winner. I don't know. They both look really good. Alright, so there we go. I am super excited. Next week we're going to be working on cotton blends. With summer coming up, I'm really excited to test out different ones to use for garments. So make sure you guys let me know in the comments below what kind of yarns you want to see next so I can make sure I'm getting the right ones for you guys. And subscribe, hit that like button, and make sure you turn on the bell for notifications. See you next week, guys.